Today I'm gonna make some beefsteak Kapampangan style, and I'm gonna get some of this calamandeng. I'm gonna use them to marinate the meat. So let's go inside and I'll show you how to do it. Today I'm cooking beefsteak Kapampangan, and here's the ingredients. This is a 1 pound of beef and thinly sliced, 1 medium-sized onion, garlic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of garlic. We're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil, Kikkoman soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster flavored sauce, and the star of the show is calamonding. This is a Filipino lime fruits. So if you don't have this calamonding, you can use any lime, the green one, the yellow one, and that will give the sourness of the beefsteak. Okay, this time I'm gonna make the marinade. I'm gonna measure this time. Okay, Kikkoman soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna check first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're gonna put dark soy sauce. It's got flavor, mushroom flavor. I like this one. I always use this. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons. Okay, then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this. And also we're gonna put, I forgot to mention this a while ago, we're gonna put this one. Maybe 1 teaspoon. We'll add more later if it needed. Okay, and then this is when I'm gonna use this. This is the lemon juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we gotta taste it. I decided to add 2 more tablespoons of this lime juice. It wasn't sour enough when I tasted again. So let me try it again this time, see if I'm satisfied now. That's better. Okay, now I'm gonna marinate the meat. So this is how I do it. I put all this marinade in here. Then I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add this chopped garlic, see, and sliced onion. And I already washed my hands, so I'm gonna use my hand. Nothing is better than using your hand when you're doing marinade. I don't like using gloves. I have gloves. I show you. I have it right here. But I don't like my food to taste like plastic. So that's why I'm gonna use my hand. Okay, so just keep on doing this. I'm doing till all the meat get soaked into the marinade. Then you're gonna add all this onion. Do the same thing. So the marinade, it will give a onion flavor and it will taste good later. This is how we do it in the Philippines, Kapampangan style. In my house, in our house, this is how we do it. But I'm sure a lot of Kapampangan, they probably have their own idea to do this, but this is how I do it. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge at least 1 hour. I'm gonna cover it with a saran wrap, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then I'll show you how to cook it. While I'm marinating my bistec, I'm gonna cook this for my husband. I'm sure he's not gonna eat my bistec because he doesn't really care for Asian food, except lumpia. That's his favorite. Okay, so this one I'm gonna cook it now. That way when he gets home, it's ready. Yeah, he's waiting for you, honey. My husband just got home. Did you go golfing? You want me to cook you the lasagna for your dinner tonight? OJ! Okay, I'll get your dinner ready, okay? Alright, we're gonna start cooking now. As you can see, this is the beef that I marinate. I separate the onion. The onion will be cooked later when the meat is almost done. We're gonna put some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Why do you have to make that sound? Okay, the first thing we do here is when the oil is hot, already hot, and then you start putting the meat here. And the garlic is also there. Honey, why you're in and out? Peanut? They're in my bedroom. Did you find them? Okay. Now we're gonna add some water. One half cup. Cover it, and then let's simmer for maybe 30 minutes or until it's tender. Okay, it's already past 30 minutes. Let's check it. Now we're gonna add the onion. As I mentioned a while ago, my husband is next to me. I cannot talk when he's here. As I mentioned a while ago, this is the time you need to add whatever you want to add. So I like oyster sauce, so I add about 2 tablespoons there. And then add some more of this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, don't make fun of me, man. Okay, now stir this in there. And now let's taste it. Let me taste it. See if I need to put salt or something else. Mmm. Good. It's yummy. There it is. It's done. Time to turn it off. My husband's making fun of me while I was cooking. I'm gonna pull a prank. You watch what I'm gonna do. This is the prank I'm gonna pull on film. I'm gonna serve him this instead of his lasagna. See what he's gonna do. Let me cover it now. So when he open it, let's see his reaction. Your food is ready, honey.
Okay.
I want you to show me the appreciation.
I'm getting tired of this movie.
Don't be tired. This is the fun.
I thought I was getting lasagna.
That's a trick.
It's not mine.
No, I'm tricking. That's a prank.
It's okay. I would have eaten it.
Well,
Didn't look
no, the
good.
lasagna is ready.
Didn't look too bad.
Oh crap! I burned the toast. Oh man, it's gonna be pissed. Okay, this is for real now. This is still real food. Now it's time to deliver to him.
Man, I'm gonna eat all that.
You don't have to eat all of it because that's half of the lasagna.
Trying to make me fat.
Why, you're not fat? Let me see your stomach. Ooh, what it tastes like? Yummy? One more bite.
Where's my Parmesan cheese?
Got the Parmesan. I'll go get it.
Okay.
I'll go get it. Do we have some? We have some of that? I can't find it. Here it is. I found it. I found it. Here you
Am
go,
I still on
honey.
video?
No. I'm just standing here, pretending nothing. Yum.
Kraft. Parmesan cheese. Puts hair on your chest.
Is that a commercial?